Suratul Ikhlas. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Translation. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allah said for Prophet Muhammad sallallahu, you tell my servant, He is Allah, the only one. Second verse is Allahu Samad. Allah is eternal and absolute. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. None is born of him, and nor was he born. Walam yakullahu kufuwan ahad, and there is none like him. Sadaqallahul Azim.